Unveiling True Colors, the meaning behind the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's as colorful as it is revealing, showing one's true colors. Stick with us to uncover the meaning, origin, and how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. Let's illuminate this expression and understand what it truly signifies. Showing one's true colors is a phrase steeped in metaphor, painting a vivid picture of revelation and truth. To show one's true colors means to reveal one's genuine character, often after a period of deception or pretense. It's akin to dropping a disguise or showing the world who one really is, for better or for worse. The phrase suggests a transition from concealment to transparency, where a person's authentic self is finally laid bare. The origins of this phrase are deeply anchored in maritime history. During naval battles, ships would often fly flags, colors, of neutral or allied nations to get close to their enemies without arousing suspicion. At the last moment, they would show their true colors, the flag of their own country, before launching an attack. Thus, the phrase came to symbolize the act of revealing one's true intentions or character after a period of dissimulation. To grasp the essence of showing one's true colors, let's look at some examples. After the crisis, the leader showed his true colors, prioritizing his own interests over those of the community. I thought she was supportive, but when I needed her the most, she showed her true colors. These examples highlight situations where a person's genuine nature, often hidden under the guise of something more palatable, comes to the forefront, revealing their actual intentions or character. Incorporating showing one's true colors into your everyday language can add depth to your conversations, especially when discussing matters of trust, betrayal, or authenticity. Use it when you want to describe a situation where someone's genuine nature is revealed, especially if it contrasts with a previously held perception. For instance, it's disheartening, but sometimes it takes a challenging situation to see someone show their true colors. You really showed your true colors when you stood by me during those tough times. Understanding the phrase, showing one's true colors, enriches our comprehension of human behavior and the complexities of interpersonal relationships. It reminds us that beneath the surface, there's a depth of character waiting to be revealed, for better or worse. We hope this exploration has illuminated the phrase for you and added a vibrant shade to your linguistic palette. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing more insights into the English language in our future videos. Stay curious, and keep exploring the depth of language with us.